In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly update your financial settings on the Xero dashboard. Whether you're adjusting your financial year-end date, updating sales tax information, or simply changing your time zone, I'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the Xero dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the side menu and click on the Accounting menu. This will reveal a list of options, and from there, you want to head into Accounting Settings. It's here that you can access and manage critical details related to your financial operations. Once in the Settings menu, you should see an option labeled Financial Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to focus on editing the relevant financial information. Let's start with changing the financial year-end date. Look for the section marked Financial Year-End. You'll see the option to change the date. Simply click on that and select your new preferred year-end date from the calendar that appears. If updating your sales tax information is next on your list, you'll find everything you need under the sales tax section. To update your tax details, input your tax ID number into the designated field. Additionally, you'll want to select the correct tax basis and reporting period that aligns with your business needs. If by chance you're not registered for sales tax, there's a convenient option for you as well. Just select None, and you can proceed without any hitch. Another important detail you might want to update is your time zone. This is especially important if your business operations or team members are spread across various regions. Under the Time Zone section, you can select your preferred time zone from the drop-down menu. Make sure to pick the one that truly reflects your location or business operations, as accurate time settings are crucial for proper scheduling and record-keeping. After you've made all these necessary changes, the final step is essential. To ensure all your updates are saved, click on the Save button. This will apply your changes and keep everything current and accurate. And there you have it. You've now successfully navigated the Xero dashboard and made key updates to your financial settings. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or new to managing financial details in Xero, keeping this information up to date is vital to ensure the smooth operation of your financial processes. Remember, the right settings can help in accurate reporting and save you from potential discrepancies down the line. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and simpler for you.